Okay, so here is a look at the KXLY ergonomic laptop computer stand. So it comes in a rather plain box. Does have the right name here, so right there. But otherwise, no. Sorry, a little quick, but no markings on the box whatsoever. As long as it works, that's fine. Nothing wasted on marketing here. So inside we have our picture specs here, and bubble wrap package. Nothing really here that I see in the way of instructions, but hopefully will be rather self-explanatory. I hope. We got a warning up here, so I guess I have it upside down. Caution. So don't pinch your fingers. See if I can maybe not pinch my fingers. So let's see if I lift this up. Wow, it is quite stiff to move. So I don't know if there was something I was supposed to do first, or just pull. But that is rather stiff to move, so sturdy. I'll have to explore if there's something I'm supposed to loosen with a tool or whatever to adjust, but rather solid. They give the measurements on there, I believe, but in case we want to sort of double check here, running off the screen, but top to bottom here we've got about 9¼ inches wide. What is that, about 10½ inches wide. Did I say wide here? That's height, obviously 9¼ guess I need coffee. 10½ wide. Alright, so putting a laptop on there. That is resting just fine. And, obviously supporting laptop at a reasonable rate there. Allowing the cooling underneath it. The grip here is supporting it, so it's not sliding off, so that is good. I plan to really use this more for an iPad, so I'm going to experiment with that. But obviously heavy enough to support a pretty good size laptop here. So let me experiment a little more and then give an update. I found by just persuading the stand up higher, just pulling on it, I got it positioned on there, and it's rather sturdy. A little bit of give to it, but it's not slipping off, so that's wonderful. Probably can't see this very well here, but I've got it cranked up so it's about 6 inches off the desk here, and in the back you probably can't see, but it's 12 inches high here in the back, and obviously I can play on there without it slipping off, so looks really good. It is, as you saw, a little bit hard to you got to put a little effort into moving, but guess we want that, otherwise it would sort of slip and fall with a heavy laptop on there. So I am very, very pleased. I will experiment, but thus far it is working just like promised, and can't see anything wrong with this. Hope this is helpful. Alright, there is one thing I forgot to look at and show you, and that is on the bottom, which is I'm going to play out of focus there. Sorry, here we go. So there are these non-stick feet on the corners here, and so I'm going to take away our cover here. It is rather slip resistant, so it's taking a good bit of force to get it to slide. So yeah, does not slip very well. Very, very, very sturdy. I have it in this configuration for an iPad, which is working very well. I weighed it, and it's a little under 1.4 pounds, so very lightweight, but yet very sturdy for its size and weight. So I am thrilled with this stand. I'm again mainly going to use it for my iPad here in the portrait mode, and works well for that. So hope this is helpful.